Hello everybody and welcome to a new video on Hurricane TV. Today it's the final video of the episode with the Dolphin repairs. Good morning my friends, welcome back to the final, hopefully final episode on Hurricane TV on our project Dolphin restoration. We spent many days together, at least Patrick spent most of the time on their boat, sanding, grinding down everything, filling. We laminated the rotten deck, we made a new hatch, new wooden parts for the boat. So really a lot of work has been done. And now it's the day of the days where we will put new color on the bottom of the boat and also on the decks. And our idea is to apply 7 coats of VC tar from International and also finally VC 17 anti-fouling, and then we are ready to splash again, and we are looking forward to this. So let's get started. Hello everybody and welcome to a new video on Hurricane TV. Today it's the final video of the episode with the Dolphin 26 or 22 with the Dolphin repairs. Here on the back side you can see already Patrick working on the boat, coming to pick me up. And today we're gonna have a very nice afternoon sailing session here on the beautiful, gorgeous Lake Attersee in Upper Austria, and we'll have a look what we have fixed on the boat all together. How are you doing this afternoon?
Hi, very good, thanks.
Excellent.
I was preparing the boat.
Wonderful. So let's see if we if we fall into the water or not. Beautiful, crystal clear water. Wow. What a lovely day. Unfortunately no wind, but if we are lucky maybe we get a slight little of a breeze and off we go. What a nice boat. The entrance hatch we've rebuilt completely new, so it's now again rock stable and solid, and it looks beautiful. Look at it. Wow, so nice. Then also the sliding racks have been made completely new. Also this one for the entrance hatch. The tiller. And certainly the rotten decks. I had a very nice afternoon together with Patrick, and we had some beer and even some sailing at the end because some wind arrived finally. It was a very exciting project, this Dolphin refit, and it was quite challenging as well, but the result is wonderful, and I'm happy for Patrick that they have such a lovely boat now. This was the final episode of the Dolphin project. And if you like carbon fiber lamination, boat works and sailing, then please subscribe to my channel. I can spoiler already that there are some really cool videos coming up very soon. So subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and see you in one of my next videos. Have a good time, look after yourself, bye bye.